part of being a good pet owner means maintaining dental hygiene. This will help with good oral health, prevent dental plaque, and prevent that awful dog breath. You know, it can cost more than $1,000 to have your dog's teeth professionally cleaned, especially when you gotta put them under anesthesia. You don't really want to do that with your dog. And really, not many dogs like having their teeth cleaned. So we're really going to show you today how to use the Dashka Dog Toothpaste dental set and how to clean your dog's teeth. First step is go ahead and do an exam. You want to check your dog's gums, looking for any blood or any growths. Now, if you see blood or growths, I'd recommend calling your dentist. Also, we recommend do not use human toothpaste. Only buy toothpaste made for your dog. So, and this is the one we recommend. Like I said, it's approved for dogs. Also, it has all the tools you need. It comes with the 2 finger brushes, and it comes with the toothbrush long enough to reach your dog's teeth. Step 1, have your dog try the toothpaste. Step 2, rub their teeth with your finger and use the finger brush first. Step 3, start with the brush and start from the side and move to the front. Now, the key to this is that you're only looking to do a minute or 2 each day. You don't need to sit down and do a 20-minute long session. It's the consistent, just daily or maybe every other day, minute or 2, that will keep your dog's teeth clean. Just like you brush your teeth every day, you want to just do a regular minute or 2 teeth cleaning session. Don't worry about getting the inside of your dog's teeth. It's really only the outside that you need to put attention on. One of the last tips to maintaining good dog dental hygiene is making sure that you get them dog treats that clean their teeth. That does help as well, along with brushing. Step 1, have your dog try the toothpaste. Now, the Dashka dog kit, the one we have here, is beef flavored. Oh, he seems to like it already. You can use your finger, but I love the Dashka kit because it has the dog finger brush, right? So you can let your dog try it. Just put some on there. Ooh. Oh, now that's some good stuff. Okay, that's good. So what I'm gonna do first is just, you get to try it. I'm just gonna let him rub it on his gums a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now he's used to it. So for the next step, you're gonna grab your dog toothbrush, and we love the Dashka toothbrush because it has both a large end and a small end. He's got pretty big teeth, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the bigger side. And all we're gonna do, now that he's tasted it, he knows what's going on, we're gonna start from the side. What you wanna do is lift the dog's lip up. You're not yanking it. And just slowly brush from the side to front. Let me show you. I'll go ahead and get a little more for those folks that maybe missed it the first time. And look, the key to this is consistency. You know, just do this, like I said, a little bit each day. You're not looking to sit down and go 10, 20, 30 minutes in this thing. Just a minute or 2, and your dog will get used to it. And you'll have so much easier of a time keeping your dog's teeth clean. So that's how to brush your dog's teeth. Hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I hope it helps you keep your dog's teeth clean. Good boy.